Hi guys, it's Yeva today. I'm so happy that you can join me on my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a very special video because I'm going to have two very special guests. And the topic is going to be on why having a positive mindset is so important. So stay tuned to find out more. I'm so excited. So I'm going to be sharing two personal reasons on why I find having a positive mindset is so important. And I'm going to have my guests share reasons as well. So reason number one is that our thoughts shape the reality we experience. Everything that we surround ourselves with and the circumstances that we live in have been developed through our thoughts. This is why we have to be careful of what we think and should always have a positive mindset. Our thoughts, after all, create our reality. So reason number two on why having a positive mindset is so important is that having a positive mindset has a lot to do with the law of attraction. Just like good things attract good things, bad things also attract more bad things. So if you have a positive mindset, you will feel better and attract more and positive things into your life. If you are negative, however, about a certain situation, you will attract more negativity. So change your mindset to a positive one. This will help you so much. After all the energy you give out is the energy that you receive back. Keep that in mind when you have a bad thought. Be grateful and have positive thoughts instead. For example, if something does not go your way, like you lose money by accident, try not to be too upset about it and don't start worrying. Because you basically just made someone's day, like they found your money. Once you feel and think that way, you will feel better and attract more money into your life. Isn't that amazing? It's just a switch of the mindset. So guys, my first very special guest today is gonna be my nephew, Mykoh. And he has a tip for you.
Yes.
So, what's your tip?
I just want to say that a positive mindset is very important for a positive mental health. And just like Yeva said, negative thoughts create more negative thoughts. And if that goes out of proportion in this vicious cycle, can lead to full-blown severe depression.
Yeah.
Basically, manage your thoughts, see how they go. If they are not as they should be, work on them with stuff like gratitude, affirmations, self-talk, and just positivity and being grateful and listening to Yeva.
Yay! Thank you so much for sharing that with us. I appreciate it.
No problem.
So, my second very special guest today is Greta, my beautiful sister, and she's going to tell us her reason on why having a positive mindset is so important to her. Come on.
Hey guys! So, why having a positive mindset is so important to me? Guys, when you have a positive mindset, you become a people magnet. You just actually become naturally quite much more attractive. Positive people tend to have a smile on their face. They make themselves happy. And ladies, when you go dancing and you have a smile on your face, all the guys are approaching you for a dance. They all want to dance with you. Now try going to dance being moody and grumpy and kind of standing like this. Guys, if you think about it, do you actually like spending time with people who are always nagging, complaining, blaming, and expecting you to make them happy? Or with someone who is already happy?
I have a summary example for you. This is actually a very old Indian story. So the story goes like this. A grandchild and a granddad were outside making food together. The grandchild came up to the granddad and said he noticed two different ways of thinking. One made him feel down and the other made him feel good. The grandpa explained that we always have a choice to either feel good or feel bad, to think positive or think negative. He said, imagine that you have two wolves on your shoulders, a white one on one side and a black one on the other. One makes you feel mindful, grateful, and happy and blessed, and the other makes you feel sad. It makes you worry, and it also makes you feel bad. These wolves represent negativity and positivity. The child asked, which wolf is stronger and which one wins? He answered with a smile on his face, and he said, the wolf that we feed and the wolf that we give the most attention to wins. So guys, this was my video on why having a positive mindset is so important. We had two amazing guests and I want to thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video as well with a thumbs up. And subscribe to Greta's and to Mykoh's YouTube channels as well. They're either up here or down here. So thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day.